The logical OR operator, often referred to as the short-circuiting logical OR operator, calculates the logical OR between its operands. The expression x or y will return true if at least one of x or y is true. If both x and y are false, the result will be false. Importantly, if x is true, the expression does not evaluate y due to short-circuit behavior. You can use multiple OR operators in a single expression, and the same rule applies to other operators, such as the logical AND operator, where the evaluation stops as soon as the result is determined.